Okay, so this is the quick tutorial on friendship bracelets. If you remember, you take the embroidery thread that you want to use, and I wouldn't recommend doing a whole lot, and I'll show you why in a minute, because it takes a really long time to do this. And what you're going to do is you're going to loop it over, double it, right? And then just tie it in a knot, right? And then I'll show you what you're going to do after that. But I'm not actually going to do this one because this is a project I've already started. The ones that I was teaching you how to do earlier are like this one. And this is why I recommend you not doing a whole lot of threads, because it takes a really long time to do this when you do a lot of threads. So I am pinning this down right here so it doesn't move. And then on the basic one, you're going to take your first one to the left and leave it out of the way, because that's going to be the one you're making knots out of. And then you're taking each of your other threads and separating them. And I like to pull them tight because it makes the knots better in the long run, right? So I'm doing that so it's nice and tight. I stick my thumb out like this, wrap the thread around the thumb, pull it across, and pull it through the little hole there, and then I'm going to tighten the knot up. And I do two, because if you only do one knot per string, it's going to make your friendship bracelet go into a curlicue, alright? So I did 2 knots on the yellow, now I'm doing 2 knots on the green. Alright, 2 knots on the green, 2 knots on blue, and 2 knots on purple, right? Now, you want to make sure that the embroidery thread you start with is going to be, oh, you see how far apart those are? I should actually tighten them up because they're getting a little bit spread out. Anyway, you want to make sure the embroidery thread you start with is long enough that you're going to be able to finish it as a bracelet, because it does take quite a bit of your thread to be able to do all the knots. Now, the other one I want to show you, this is new for you guys. That one's the one we've been working on for a while. This one is it's called a twist, and you can see right here how that friendship bracelet's done, and it's actually a little bit faster. So basically what you do, so I just finished the red, so now on the white, and I'm going to hold all of the threads together, okay? And then I'm going to do 10 knots. 1, 2, 3. You can see it's the same one. Oh, my tape went loose, so I have to use kitty cat duct tape. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And obviously, if I want this to be the same as that, then I need to do another 10. So, I'll do 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You see how it's kind of it's twisting? It's kind of cool the way it does that, but every once in a while you just have to throw the thread on around so that it's not 18, so it's not getting messed up or tangled. And there's 20, okay? So now what I would do is I'd just move on to the red one, and you just keep doing that until it's as long as you want. And you can do this with different colors if you want. I chose to do red and white, but you can add multiple colors. This one's a little easier to do because it doesn't take as much, like it's not as wide as this one, so it's not going to take as long to get the distance or to get the length that you need to actually be able to make a bracelet. So there's 2 friendship bracelets that you guys can make.